Good morning. Good morning, Raj.
Good morning, ma'am.
So I told for revision today, isn't that? Have you prepared or not?
Wait a minute, ma'am. Set up कर रहा हूँ.
Good morning, ma'am.
Darshan, after 2 days in between where you are going? That you are not visible in the class? And keep your cameras on.
Yes.
All of you, you have to keep your cameras on. Okay, so I told for the revision today, isn't that? And I said the questions which I gave in the class, practice that first at least. So I will be starting from that only. Okay. I will be sharing the questions with you just starting from the basic one. Screen is visible?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Blank screen is visible.
Ma'am, blank screen is visible.
Okay, I will just paste a question there. Okay. Convert this. Convert this. Please keep your camera on, all of you. Keep your cameras on. Okay. By that time, 1 minute, Raj. Can you tell me SI unit of luminous intensity? SI unit of luminous intensity. SI unit of luminous intensity. मैंने आपको SI यूनिट कराया ना, एक होता है कॉमन यूनिट, एक SI यूनिट. तो ल्यूमिनस इंटेंसिटी का SI यूनिट क्या है? व्हाट इज द SI यूनिट ऑफ ल्यूमिनस इंटेंसिटी? Why your camera is off when I am asking the question? By the time rest all solve, I am asking the questions to him.
Ma'am, please repeat the question.
SI unit of luminous intensity.
I'm
SI unit of luminous intensity.
candela.
Candela. And what is the SI unit of molality? Molality.
Don't know.
Tanu. Yes, Tanu. Are you able to hear me, Tanu?
Yes, ma'am.
Keep your camera on first, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा.
मैम आप मोलैरिटी बोले कि मोलैलिटी बोले?
Molality. Tanu will be saying that.
LALI.
Wait. Tanu,
Ma'am,
I gave the option chance to know Tanu. Tanu,
मैम मोलैलिटी का पता है, मोलैरिटी का नहीं पता.
Tanu, are you able to hear me? Just look at me here. Why your camera is off, beta? Tell me. Molality. What is the unit of molality?
मैम मोल पर
Molality
See, there are two things. Molality and molarity. There are two things. Molality.
and morality.
Morality is in the moral science. It is not moral science. It's molarity. Okay? एक में R आता है, एक में L आता है. This is small m and this is capital L. Okay? दोनों में बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस है.
Relationship between
बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस ये
pollution
है कि
with
we
the
are
same
when we are calculating the number of moles of solute per kg of the solvent, it is called as molality. But when we are finding out number of moles of solute per liter of the solution, it is called as what? Molarity. Molarity जो है उसमें हम
morality.
नंबर ऑफ मोल्स पर केजी ऑफ द सॉल्वेंट, यानी इसका यूनिट क्या हो जाएगा? मोल्स पर केजी. और इसका यूनिट क्या हो जाएगा? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स डिसॉल्व पर लीटर ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन, पर लीटर. तो इसका यूनिट हो जाएगा मोल पर लीटर. दोनों की यूनिट डिफरेंस आ गई. ठीक है. एंड डिफरेंस क्या हुआ? वी आर कैलकुलेटिंग द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स पर केजी ऑफ द सॉल्वेंट हियर इन द मोलालिटी, whereas in the molarity we are calculating the number of moles per liter of the solution. That means we are taking mass, we are considering mass of solvent in molality, whereas we are considering volume in case of molarity. Okay, clear? Do you difference समझ में आया molality और molarity का? And SI unit you have to remember. If I am talking about SI unit of mass, what will be the SI unit of mass? SI unit of mass. What is SI unit of mass? SI unit of mass is what? Anybody? SI unit of mass is
मैम किलोग्राम.
kilogram. Good. So that is only you have to do. So see, in your exam you are not going to get only numericals. This chapter is made up of numericals. That means it only numericals. It is not like that. At least 8-9 marks subjective you will be having, and subjective questions will be like this only. Assertion division or a unit. What is the unit of molarity, luminous intensity, like this type of the density. Okay, this type of things which are subjective you will get in that. Okay, clear? Now next, what do you understand by atomic mass unit, Purab? Atomic mass unit. What do you understand by atomic mass unit? We left the class. As soon as teacher is asking questions, you people are leaving the class. Again he joined. Okay, what do you understand by atomic mass unit? Yes? Purav, I am talking to you, beta. All of yours camera is off.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you understand by atomic mass unit?
Ma'am, one atomic mass unit is the mass exactly equal to 1/12 of the carbon 12.
1 by 12th of mass of one atom of carbon 12. And why only carbon was taken? Carbon was selected.
Don't know.
Carbon was selected, okay, considered, but carbon is having three isotopes, carbon 12, carbon 13 and carbon 14. But carbon 12 was only taken because it is the most abundant isotope of carbon. Okay, clear? Next, 1 mole of any gas at STP is equal to dash. 1 mole of any gas at STP is equal to dash. 1 mole of any gas at STP is equal to dash. Darshan? Yes. 1 mole of any gas at STP is equal to dash. Yes, anybody? आप लोग पढ़ के नहीं आए हो क्या? Without studying you are here. I will be only telling the questions. I will be only telling the answers. This is going in the revision or what? And tomorrow's exam you will search through the net and copy and paste. 1 mole of any gas at STP is equal to 22.4 liter of gas. Okay, 22.4 liters. Also, this 22.4 liter is equal to its gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass. Suppose if I am talking about what you can say, 1 mole of nitrogen gas is at STP is equal to how much? 1 mole of nitrogen gas at STP. 1 mole of
22.4.
okay, and which in turn will be equal to how many grams? How many
Yes,
grams?
ma'am.
Which in turn equal to how many grams? Yes. Yes. 1 mole of nitrogen gas at STP. अभी तो बताया है. How many grams it will be?
And maybe 22, 21.
I got 22. What is the mass of 1 mole of nitrogen gas at STP? That मैं इतना ही पूछ रही हूँ आपसे, nothing else. इतना ही पूछ रही हूँ. Yes.
I'm 28.
देखो 1 मोल ऑफ एनी गैस, देखो अगर अब क्वेश्चन आता है कि 1 मोल ऑफ एनी गैस, ले लिया ऑक्सीजन, ले लिया नाइट्रोजन, ले लिया हाइड्रोजन, ले लिया, तो पहले ऑप्शंस देखो क्या रहता है। अगर उसमें 22.4 लीटर्स दिया है तो 1 मोल ऑफ एनी गैस एट एसटीपी इज इक्वल टू व्हाट यू से
22.
but if it is not given, check the molar volume. Is it given? Molar volume is given or not? If molar volume is given, then you have what you check the molar mass. Molar mass, like 1 mole of any gas at STP is equal to 22.4 liter, which in turn is equal to molar mass. मोलार मास क्या होगा? जो भी नाइट्रोजन का मोलार मास है उसके इक्वल हो जाएगा। ओके, नाइट्रोजन का जो भी मोलार मास है, नाइट्रोजन गैस का जो भी मोलार मास है उसके इक्वल हो जाएगा। सेम वे अगर ऑक्सीजन है तो ऑक्सीजन के मोलार मास इक्वल हो जाएगा। और अगर मास नहीं दिया है तो 1 मोल की वैल्यू दी होगी। ओके, that 1 mole of any gas at STP is containing how many particles? Avogadro number of particles. मेरे को आपको बताना है कि वैल्यूज क्या होती है। 1 mole of any gas at STP is equal to 22.4 liters. It can also be equal to the molar mass of that particular gas. It can also be equal to the number of particles of the gas. It depends on the what is given in your question. Okay, तो इससे रिलेटेड कुछ और क्वेश्चन करेंगे। बाय द टाइम वन मोर थिंग आई हैव टू आस्क, आई फॉरगॉट टू आस्क, सब्जेक्टिव पहले खत्म करूंगी तब तो। ओके, अच्छा, इफ आई एम चेंजिंग द व्हाट इट इज मोलारिटी वगैरह का डिफरेंस तो मैंने बता दिया है ना। इसके बाद न्यूमेरिकल्स, हाँ, बाय द टाइम यू आर सॉल्विंग दिस न्यूमेरिकल ना, हैव यू सॉल्व दिस न्यूमेरिकल not conversion, have you done this conversion?
मैम सेकंड नहीं हुआ, बाकी दोनों हो गए।
क्यों
Yes, ma'am.
में नहीं कर सकते? पहले
मैम सेकंड में मैम 1 mg 2 kg तो हो गया, पर के मैम kg 2 mg
tell me
mg
the
नहीं।
answer of the first part. Answer of the first part, you tell me. What is the answer of the first part? 1 kilometer is equal to how many millimeters? How many
10 upon millimeters.
10 upon
6 millimeters.
Okay, correct. And and how many picometers?
1 into 10 upon 15 pm.
1 into 10 15 10 to the power 15 picometer. Okay, correct. Now you have
Yes,
got milligram to, now you next is the conversion of milligram to kilogram. You can convert what you say kilogram to gram, gram to milligram you can convert, isn't that or not? You can
Yes,
convert kilogram to gram and gram to milligram, and after
Milligram.
converting milligram you can get it ना। आप पहले किलोग्राम को ग्राम में कन्वर्ट करो। 1 किलोग्राम इज इक्वल टू 1000 ग्राम है ना, एंड 1 ग्राम इज इक्वल टू 1000 मिलीग्राम। तो पहले आपको व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट व्हाट यू से, लेट मी चेक द क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वेयर कन्वर्ट, मिलीग्राम टू किलोग्राम में कन्वर्ट करना है ना। तो फर्स्ट यू विल कन्वर्ट द मिलीग्राम्स टू ग्राम एंड देन यू विल कन्वर्ट द grams to kilogram. Okay, clear? And the next is nanograms. 1 milligram to nanograms you can convert. What is the relationship between nanogram and हाँ, अब ये भी directly नहीं होगा because first you have to convert the milligrams to gram and then gram to nanogram, because 1 nanogram is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 grams. 1 nanogram is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 grams. Okay, clear? समझ में आया? Are you
Yes ma'am, yes ma'am.
convert करके जल्दी से बताओ, then we will do the further numericals. Then we will do the further numericals. Solve it. पूरा टाइम इसी में नहीं लेना, बिकॉज वी आर हैविंग न्यूमेरिकल्स ऑल्सो अदर. Are you able to solve or you want me to solve?
I'm done.
Done? Tell rest all. If you are not able to get it, just tell me. I will explain it again. No issues.
1 milligram is equals to 10 to the power minus 6 kgs.
10 to the power minus 6 kg. Very good. And 1 milligram is equal to how many nanograms?
मैम वही नहीं
10
हो
to
रहा
the
मैम.
power 6 nanograms.
फर्क है बेटा, साइन का फर्क है. कौन बोला सेम आएगा? नहीं आएगा. 1 मिलीग्राम इज
मैम ऊपर वाले में -6 आएगा
हाँ.
kgs और नीचे वाले में 10 to the power 6
फर्क पड़ रहा है.
nanograms है.
फर्क पड़ रहा है. ओके क्लियर. ऐसा नहीं कि दोनों में फर्क. -6 और 6 में बहुत फर्क है. अप टू हियर इट इज ओके ना?
Yes,
Up to it is okay. Because time is less, we will practice the numericals. Okay. So अभी तक से जितना जितना points बोला सब clear है. I think I have covered. Now we will just significant figures I forgot to practice. So let's solve some questions related to significant figures also, and then we will move forward. Okay, to the numericals part. Just check it. This one. Significant figures. Very easy.
मैम 2 फर्स्ट का.
First is having two significant figures. Correct. Tanu, how much will be the second one?
Ma'am 3.
Correct. Then Purab, how many in the third one?
4.
Okay. Raj, how many in the fourth one? How much it will be?
मैम 6
Six?
3
Three.
3 मैम 3
Significant
बोला.
figures you have. Next, why this one? Who is answer?
One.
Darshan?
1
500.
1
This one, fifth one. Fifth one.
3.
1
3.
Are you sure it will be one?
No, ma'am 3. It will be 3.
It will not be three.
1
Zero are placed after the decimal point, like 2.0, 3.0, 4.0.
Yes.
All these conditions will be
2
the
5.
significant. अगर आप लिख रहे हो 50 लिखोगे तो आपका एक ही सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर है, लेकिन अगर 5.0 लिखोगे तो दो सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर है, बिकॉज जीरो प्लेस्ड इमीडिएटली आफ्टर द डेसिमल पॉइंट इज सिग्निफिकेंट. ओके क्लियर.
4
So that
4
will be 5.
So that 500.0 it was written na.
4
4. Okay, now next is 2.0334. 2.0334.
2
It will be 2. Why?
2 and because
5.
It should be
4.
5.
4, 5, 2. What type of answer is this? It should be 5.
So ma'am, after the decimal and again the 0 is there, so it
Zero
will be
between the
considered.
non-zero digits. Zero between the non-zero digits are significant. Zero between the non-zero digits are significant. अगर यही क्वेश्चन अगर 0.0534 होता तो ये significant नहीं है. Okay, but if I written 5.01, then this zero will be significant. Okay, clear. Next, जस्ट टेल मी द फाइनल आंसर. मुझे प्रोडक्ट करके या डिवीजन करके बताने की जरूरत नहीं है. जस्ट टेल मी द फाइनल आंसर. Will be represented
Yes,
in
ma'am.
significant figures. How many significant figures will be represented? The final answer will be represented in how many significant figures? The final answer will be represented
4.
in how many?
4.
4. Why so?
Yes, ma'am.
4.
0.02856. 2856.
Why it will be? लीस्ट प्रिसाइज नंबर कौन सा होगा? जब हम मल्टीप्लीकेशन डिवीजन करते हैं तो व्हाट वी सी विद द लीस्ट प्रिसाइज टर्म एंड व्हाट हाउ वी आर डिसाइडिंग दैट? हाउ वी आर डिसाइडिंग दैट? पूरा जिसके पास
Yes,
लीस्ट
ma'am.
नंबर ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स हो उसको चुनेंगे, है ना? लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स
Yes,
होगा
ma'am.
उसको चुनेंगे. तो फाइनल आंसर विल बी योर व्हाट? 3.
0,
Then
1,
और इसमें ये
3.
मल्टीप्लिकेशन है. हाँ, अब
1.
Sir, 3.
One.
Ma'am, 3.
यहाँ पे 1 नहीं लेंगे. क्यों नहीं लेंगे? क्योंकि ये परफेक्ट नंबर है. Okay, in case of perfect number we don't
3.
select it as, we will count the other one.
4.
That
3.
means 4.
4.
Final answer will be
4.
written in 4 significantly. Now it is a addition. When we are talking about addition and subtraction, we will look at the number which is having the least number of decimal place value, which is having the least number of decimal place value. So according to that, it is
Ma'am,
all
again
same.
4.
It is all again 4. But if it is suppose it is there 0.0 5 point.
Ma'am, it will be 3.
Wait, listen now.
4.
If it is 3.1, which final answer will be represented in how many significant figures? If I am doing addition. Five point zero one five and 3.1. I am adding. In how many significant
I
figures?
mean,
Huh?
2.
2.
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
2 सही है, सही. Least number of significant figures. Okay, clear. Now next is the next some things related to the rounding off. Okay, something related to the rounding off. Rounding off करना आता है ना? So let's see that. Round off to the 3 significant figures. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Round off these 3 significant figures. Round off करना है. What it will be? 3 significant figures. Yes, Purab, first one.
34.2.
Yes, Raj, next one. Then 10.4107 is round off to 3 significant figures.
10.4.
Okay, and after that
0.45.
0, 0.
0.45 आएगा. You are having 9 here.
Ma'am, 0.046.
0.046. Okay. And what about the other one? अच्छा, आपको 3 significant figures में करना है ना, तो 0.0460. Okay, 0.0460. Okay. तो अगर 4 से अगर सिर्फ 4 6 लिख दोगे तो टोटल सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स कितने हो रहे? 2 लिख रहे हो रहे ना. That's why we will write it as 0.0460. Okay. And what about this?
मैम 8 हटा देंगे शायद.
8 हटा देंगे तो बचेगा क्या?
मैम इधर बस 8 2810.
अच्छा, 0 को इंक्रीज करने से क्या आता है? 1 है ना, 0 को इंक्रीज करने से क्या आता है? 1. तो हमको तो 3 सिग्निफिकेंट
281. 281.
0 लगाऊंगी तो कोई फर्क पड़ेगा क्या? अगर मैं 1 के बाद 0
No.
लिखूंगी तो कोई सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर तो काउंट नहीं होगा ना. So I will write it as 2810 because this 0 is not counted. Okay, 2810. मैं 281 तो नहीं लिख सकती क्योंकि 281 तो गलत हो जाएगा. 2810 will be okay. Clear? So next, this was something related to round off. On numericals we will start. 10 minutes are only left. Let us do quickly. Acha, in which law says that law of total mass of the reactant is equal to the mass of the product? Mass of the reactant is equal to the mass of the product. Yes. Yes. Mass of the reactant is equal to mass of the product. Which particular thing is saying?
Law of conservation of mass.
Law of conservation of mass. Okay, correct. Now let's solve some numericals here. One second, let me take it out. Empirical formula you all remember na?
Number of mass.
अच्छा, empirical formula का पहले steps तो बता दो. What were steps? What we have to calculate in the empirical formula?
Number of moles.
Yes. How to calculate the empirical formula steps? Only you tell first. Anybody? It's not like that I am asking a particular person. You can tell. Anyone can tell. Yes, nobody remember.
Simply.
Ma'am, repeat the question.
Steps for calculating the empirical formula and molecular formula. First of all, you have to calculate the percentage. If percentage is given, that is well and good. If a percentage is not given, you have to calculate the percentage. Then the second step, we have to calculate the number of moles. And after calculation of number of moles, we are calculating the simple molar ratio. And how we were calculating the simple molar ratio? How we were calculating the simple molar ratio?
Ma'am, by dividing the least number of moles.
तो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स की वैल्यू जितनी भी आप कैलकुलेट करोगे उसमें से जो छोटी वैल्यू है, लीस्ट वैल्यू है, उससे आप बाकी सबको डिवाइड करोगे तो मिल जाएगा सिंपल मोलार रेशियो. ओके, एंड द लास्ट स्टेप इज होल नंबर रेशियो. होल नंबर रेशियो के लिए क्या करना है? अगर सिंपल मोलार रेशियो की वैल्यू इज अ परफेक्ट नंबर देन वेल एंड गुड. इफ इट इज नॉट then you have to bring it in the whole number by multiplying it with a suitable digit. We'll practice it, but first let's solve some questions before that. Solve it. You have to calculate the mass. Molar mass is given. Molar mass की वैल्यू दी हुई है. You have to make 500 ml of 0.375 molar aqueous solution. is gram per mole. Okay. So can you tell me what do you understand by molar aqueous solution? What do you understand by molar? It's talking about molarity here. It's talking about molality here.
Morality.
Molarity, correct. It's talking about molarity here. तो याद रखना यहाँ पे molarity का involvement. Very easy. How you will solve? Switch on your camera. I should be able to see your face. ओके मैंने आपको ये तो बता दिया मोलारिटी है. ओके सो यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 500 ml. Isn't that molarity का मतलब क्या होता है? नंबर ऑफ मोल डिसॉल्व पर लीटर. पर लीटर मींस हाउ मेनी ml? Liter means how many ml?
1000 ml.
So that means you can say 1000 ml is containing how many? 0.375 moles. So 500 ml में how much है? तो आधा, half of this 1000 में अगर 0.375 moles है तो 500 में क्या होगा? Just half. Isn't it? So 0.375 upon 2. Okay, now question is asked to calculate the mass. है ना? Question is asked to calculate the mass. And molar mass is given to you. Molar mass is given in the question, isn't that? Molar mass is given how much? 30. No, not 30. 82.0245. So moles को हम mass, when we are converting mole to mass, we are multiplying it with the molar mass. Whenever we are converting moles to the mass, we have to multiply the moles with the molar mass. So the what? How much grams is there? So when you will convert this 0.375 in, upon 2 into mass, what it will be? Molar mass
82 point.
82.0245.
Answer is your final. Okay? Clear? The
Ma'am,
final.
the answer will be in the grams, no?
Yes. And why it will be in gram? Because it is what? Gram per mole, na? And this is also in mole. So mole will get cancelled, final will be gram. Again I am telling you, when you are solving the numericals, you have to score. So first write the given steps and then the final answer with unit. Because even if your final step or the final answer is wrong, then you have written the correct steps or formula, you will get the 1 mark at least. Okay?
Ma'am, 15.3 grams.
15.3 grams. Let me check. Okay, correct. 15.3 grams. It is correct. Okay. Now next one more. Question is visible now? Calculate the concentration of nitric acid.